We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
Hello everyone, how y'all doing on this nice beautiful day? Today we're making mustard fried chicken, y'all, and here are our ingredients. Okay y'all, let's get to cooking. Here I'm using a whole chicken and I'm seasoning it with seasoned salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. And we're gonna mix this around. Make sure we well mix this, and if you seem to need more seasoning, you can. Here I'm placing my chicken in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna place this in the refrigerator and let it marinate. Here I have let my chicken marinate for 3 hours. And now I'm adding my mustard to it. You can add your mustard when you season your chicken, but I decided not to. But it's up to you. We're gonna mix this around and make sure each piece is covered with the mustard. Here I'm checking my oil and it's ready. And now I'm going to place my chicken in my skillet. And we don't want to crowd our chicken. Make sure you leave a little room between each piece of chicken. When I turn my chicken over, I start at a medium-high heat. After I flip my chicken over, I reduces my heat to under medium, especially in a cast iron skillet, because we don't want our chicken to cook too fast or burn. Okay, time to time, go and turn your chicken over. If you can see that your chicken is browning too much on one side, flip it so your chicken won't burn. Okay, my chicken is ready. So I'm removing it from my skillet. This is the way we want it to look. Here are some ways to know that your chicken is ready. First, you can see here how the chicken, the oil have settled down, and that's one way to know that it's ready. And another way is to check one of your bigger pieces and use a knife and cut it and look inside to see if it still have pink in it, it's not ready. So those are the ways to know that your chicken is well done. Here I'm frying up the remainder of my chicken. We're going to finish cooking this up and follow those same steps We're going to do that, and I'm going to be back with the final result. Okay, y'all, I am back. This is my mustard fried chicken. I hope y'all enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to hit that notification bell so y'all can get my new and upcoming videos. And to my new viewers and subscribers, you are welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Okay, y'all, I decided to come back and show y'all my chicken, the inside of a piece. Y'all, this chicken is so juicy and delicious. And I'm also showing y'all a small piece of it just to show y'all how juicy this chicken is. Okay, y'all, as always, I'm going to say y'all have a blessed day and bye-bye for now. Love y'all.
We are at home cooking with Miss Brenda Dee. So welcome from Miss Brenda Dee and our family.
That's a hit!